physics lovers and dear Quanta friends, I am Tipton here for 7 Quantum Academy with the wonderland of the Quanta. In my earlier videos, in my earlier classes, I said you about the mystery of the quantum world, but now we come into the factor that is Quanta, and now go slow to stating the Quanta. Actually, Quanta is the basic mystery of making this universe, not only the universe but beyond the universe also. And Quanta is the basic discrete point which makes your inner, which makes your out, which makes your around. Everywhere Quanta is there. Actually, if you see that what Quanta is, you can call it a discrete amount of energy. This discrete amount of energy is very vital because infinitesimal number of this discrete energy has made this universe, has made the universe beyond, has made these dimensions, made this planet, made you, made me. This Quanta is basically the very infinitesimally small packet of energy. This energy also acts as wave particle duality. That means if you can imagine a very small amount of energy which is not at all detectable with our 5 sense organs or with any developed, absolutely developed device, that is Quanta. This Quanta is generally identified with a wave function. This wave function is the identification, as you have a name and I have a name. And people have different names to be identified. So this Quanta mathematically is defined by a wave function. This is sigma x. In some point, if we want to measure the Quanta, we can measure its spin, momentum, or we can measure its position. We cannot measure both the things at the same time. But why? This is a vital question. This will be discussed afterward in our other videos. In our next videos, I will try to explain you why does it happen. But Quanta has now been classified into different 4 categories. First one is photon, that is light. Light is considered to be the continuous flow of the photons, that is the Quanta. Photon is a Quanta. Infinitesimal amount of Quanta when in a line rushes with the maximum speed in our universe and beyond, that is Quanta, photon Quanta. There are also charged Quanta. Negative charge Quanta is electron. Positive charge Quanta is proton. Neutrally charged Quanta is neutron. And another one, the most vital Quanta, is the quark. Quark makes everything. Quark makes the subatomic particles. Quark, gluons, mesons, and all that subatomic particles are in the arena of this Quanta. Different Quantas make quantum entanglement, coherence, superposition, and different physical phenomena. But most vital thing is there that the space is being transformed into the energy. That is the wonderful. Abstract is getting converted into energy. That is the Fourier transformation. All these terms will be discussed later. But Quanta is the basic things that makes it. From a single Quanta, bound state comes into existence. From this bound state, different kind of quantum entanglement and different kind of existence are created. The different particles gets annihilated and created and make this great universe and beyond universe. So in this video, I would like to tell you only this one, that before going to the depth of the quantum physics, Quanta should be kept in mind. everywhere quanta will work with different theories, with different formulas, with different mathematical representation, with different explanation, and even in case of the explanation of the dimensions. And there is also quantum consciousness, which is also formed with the quantas. Quanta is the singular, quantum is the plural. But whatever be the singular, whatever be the plural, that does not matter. Matter is the quantum. So, quanta is the infinitesimally small energy packets existing in different forms in the universe and beyond, and even in our body, in our mind, in our consciousness, in our neurological structure, So, permutation and combinations, different kind of matrices and also tensors, different positions and different types of entanglements, and different kinds of arrangements of the quantas with each other, particularly the quantum entanglement, makes different form of structures. Different structures give us different shapes, different existence, and different types of manufacturing factors in the universe. Our planet, our galaxy, even the dark world, dark matter, dark energy, light, all kind of waves coming from electromagnetic spectrum, our brain, our everything, our genetic structure is formed with this quanta. So first, quanta is the infinitesimally small energy packet. Quanta has four categories. One is photon quanta, that is light. One is negatively charged quanta, that is electron. Positively charged quanta, proton. Neutrally charged quanta, neutron. And the most important quanta is quark. And quanta is identified with its name, that is a wave-like structure. Sigma x, this is a function, and this function is the identification, practically the name of quanta. A particular quanta will be named based on this name, that is sigma x. This is the identification. Here on, we will have another world with this sigma x. We will have another ocean of the wonder and mysterious wonder, that is the quanta. So in this discussion, we will only told you about the quanta, but what quanta is going to do, how quanta is going to make this mystery, how this quanta is going to make this universe and beyond, how this quanta is going to make our quantum consciousness, and how can we contact, how can we connect ourselves with other dimensions in universe, in any places of the universe, and how can we run faster than light. That is the main question here. So, dear quanta friends, quanta lovers, before going to the ocean of quantum mechanics, we are hand-holding quanta. Let us come for our next class in next video.